Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a video in support of Two Crafters in One Design. So Two Crafters in One Design consist of Mo Creations, who's Melissa, You See I'm a Diva, which is Lisa, and Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria. So each week they choose a theme and they ask for those of us who wants to play along to join in. This week's theme is lemons. So I couldn't help but join this week because I was able to use one of my favorite collections that I have and been having for a while. And that's the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. So I keep part of the kit here in this little container I got from, I'm not sure where I got this from, but it has all the little ephemera pieces. It has some of the paper pad that I have left, the 6x8 paper pad. It has maybe some card bases, that I'm working on and may want to use in the future. And then it has the layered stickers, some of the decorative brads, and then it also has some of the, I think these are the thickers. Foam stickers is what they're called, I'm sorry. And so this was the collection that I used to join in this week and with my lemon project. So let me share with you what I made. So I made a cute little card. So lately I've been really into the flat card, simple, easy to mail, no additional cost. And so I used some of the ephemera pieces, and then I put some bling from my stash. This yellow paper is from Basil, which I get from Joanne. And I think it turned out really cute. It's just kind of a mixture of the pieces, and then has Happy Day, which can, relate to birthday or just saying, hi. But I think it's a sweet little card that I'll be happy to share with someone. And then I made a tag. So the tag did not come out like I really wanted it to. But I used one of the cardboard pieces that says squeeze the day on one of the little brads, and then over here kind of hidden behind the bow is a little bee, which is the chipboard, and then I used this foam heart. So my plan was to use some seam binding that I had, but I cannot find it. I don't know where I have stashed it, but my room is not that big, so I don't know where I have it. So I found this little bow, and this is just a bow I have in my stash. It's been around for a while, and I just thought it looked cute on here. So let me know what you think below. I did do double side because I anticipated having the seam binding come out, and then you would see the other side if you wanted to, share that. And I could put my name down here or whatever I want to put. But I thought it turned out cute. So there's my card, my tag, and then here's my card. And once again, this is for Two Crafters One Design, which is Mo Creations here on YouTube, and that's Melissa. You See I'm a Diva on YouTube, Lisa, and Girlia's Cards, Gloria here on YouTube. So check all their designs out this week and see what they created with the prompt being lemons. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.